Okay, so I have to show you this gorgeous string of pearls. Now this one's in a hanging basket, and as you can see, it has all of these little blooms. That's kind of what the flower will look like. And if it gets enough sunlight, filtered sunlight, at least 4 to 6 hours, you'll have blooms just like this one. You can see it also has lots of little arms kind of trailing off. And when the flower dries up, it's actually going to kind of turn into this little fuzz ball. Now these guys are super easy to propagate. When it's got a small root, you can easily go ahead and pinch this off, and you can put it in an entirely new pot. So I just love string of pearls. They add a lot of bright color to someone's home. And if you're the kind of person that likes to neglect your plants, these guys work well for you. Now, as you can see right there, what I'm pointing to, that is actually going to be a root. And this guy's actually looking for more dirt. So he would be perfect to cut that piece off, stick it in another pot, and then propagate new pieces. So if you're looking for an easy to care for houseplant, string of pearls is it.